Hi guys, welcome and welcome back again to my recipe channel, Esika's Kitchen, and thank you for being here today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support so far. My premier gang, I really appreciate the love. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and so let's get to today's video. Today I got an amazing recipe that I will love to share with you guys. How to prepare and preserve or store fresh veggies or mboga kienyeji. So I have with me these traditional vegetables commonly referred to as kienyeji that I bought from the market, and I hope you guys watch the grocery haul video. These are managos, kanzira, and spider plant that I washed thoroughly before proceeding to cutting or chopping. So these are my chopped vegetables. I will go ahead and put them in a sufuria and add enough water and boil. Let it boil for 30 to 35 minutes till the color to turn brown or until it's tender. At this point, you can cover it using anything. You can use a lid, you can use a polythene bag, just you had seen me doing. And so these are the results after boiling my vegetables. This is how it turned out after draining the excess water after boiling. Yeah, this is how it turned out, guys. And I can say people got different styles of preparing this meal. In my case, I prefer after boiling my veggies, I don't fry it immediately, and instead I preserve it, or rather store it by adding milk, and in this way preserving it for like 2 to 3 days. Yeah, and it turns super delicious meal, and you can go and fry it and later leave it to simmer for some minutes. Yeah guys, I know you will try this recipe. It's an amazing recipe. And so the first clip was for day one that I have shared with you, and now this is for day two. I'm boiling it again. I'm adding more milk to my boiled vegetable, and I will do this for until the third day. Yeah. And so guys, I'm going to share with you the video. And this is on the third day. As you can see, my Kienyeji mboga is still fresh as it looks. So I'm going to add in more milk as well and let it cook or let it boil for some minutes. This is the perfect color that you will need for your recipe whenever you're preparing this meal. This is the brown color that you need even after boiling your veggies using the milk. This is still the perfect color that will remain. And guys, I will share with you a video frying my vegetables. Until next time guys, thank you so much. Thank you once again for visiting my channel on this video. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.